he comes. Here he comes. Hi, Praline. Hello, big boy. Hey, where's the mango boy? Mango boy, there he is. Hi. He likes to run and be happy because he's a happy guy. He's a happy guy. He's a happy mango baby. Look at you. Oh, very beautiful little teddy bear man. He's a teddy bear man. Yeah. Mango says, I'm proud of you. Whoa. He says, pass it under the bridge. I'm a mango puppy. I'm a mango puppy. I a praline boy. Oh, Praline says, that's my guy right there. Hey, what are you doing over there? It's just a big world out there. Oh, it's a big world out there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. He says, I'm the big man of the whole group. He says, I'm going to be about 7 or 8 pounds when I get bigger. Yeah. Praline's only 4 pounds, huh, Praline? Yeah, but that happens sometimes, right, big man? Right, big man, right, Praline? Yes, Mango, yeah. What you doing? What you doing? What you guys doing? Wee, what you guys doing? Oh, look at me that. That's mine. Wow, I'm so strong. I have to put a hook in around there.